What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Don't worry about my fingers, they're just hot Cheetos. Anyway, about the live yesterday, what happened was the Corolla was parked on a hill and all of a sudden the starter just gave out. We shut it off, tried to turn it back on, it wouldn't turn on. Knew it was the starter that conked out. I hooked up the Avi to it, towed it back here, and I'm sorry, I know this looks wrong, but I like hot Cheetos. Anyway, got it back here. I pulled the starter out. No one has one. I'm heading back to Jersey tomorrow. Going to pack up the rest of my belongings, come here. I know I bought the starter in Jersey, so I'm definitely gonna head out over there and try to get it warranted from them because it's still under warranty. And that was a brand new starter, by the way, Denso, which is so weird that it conked out, but it's like everything else. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. You never know when it's gonna give up on its life. You never know when it's gonna keep going. So we're gonna change it over there. When I get back, I'll put it on. I don't have any videos uploaded for you guys to, you know, keep me going for these days, so I have to try to figure out how to make some. Other than that, though, I gotta pack up. I gotta get some sleep because tomorrow is a long drive. Another 1,100 miles again, 1,200 miles to Jersey from Florida. Rented a Penske truck, so they came in clutch for us. Funny thing, we were gonna hitch our trailer behind it, but the ball joint in the truck doesn't fit ours and it's not removable, so they welded it on. So that sucks. But guys, like I said, bear with me for this next couple weeks. Bear with me. I promise we're gonna get on the Geo Tracker project ASAP. It's already stripped. I gotta get the welder, weld it. Right now I am building a computer desk. If you want to see that, I'll probably post it up on Instagram. It's gonna be sick. It is going to be an editing software desk, so it's going to be really cool. I think you guys will be interested. If you are, just follow me on my Instagram, look at my stories, you'll see it there. First time I'm ever really trying woodworking. I kind of like it. I think it's cool. It's cool to do something else other than building cars. I think it's awesome. But if you guys want to see it, like I said, follow me on my Instagram. If not, don't even bother. If you guys enjoyed the live thing, I know it was like 6 seconds, it was super short, sorry about that. I needed to get a video out to make the goal for the day. Maybe for these next couple of days I'll do a live just to help my channel out a little bit. But if you guys enjoyed the live thing, you want me to talk about something on the live, let me know. I'll definitely do that. Let me know a time that works great for everyone, and I will choose a general time. Maybe we don't have to wait till 8 p.m. maybe 6, 7 p.m. If that works for everyone, we can do a live thing. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys want to see via live. And yeah, if that helps, I'll definitely do it for y'all. And see you soon. Thank you all for the support, guys. And thank you all for being the best viewers possible. Peace.